Today, I will teach you how you can make cinematic video using ChatGPT Script. Creators are making entire YouTube videos without cameras. In this video, I'll show you the most powerful AI video tools. AI video tools generate scenes using text prompts. Watch as the scene comes to life. You simply describe the scene and AI creates it. Runway is one of the most popular AI video tools used by creators. It can generate videos, remove backgrounds, and edit scenes with AI. Another trending tool is Pika Labs. Pika can animate images and create short cinematic clips. One of the most powerful tools is Sora. It can generate realistic cinematic scenes from simple prompts. Now I will tell you what you should do. Creators on Instagram, YouTube follow this simple trick. First, they write a script. Then they generate images for scenes. Those images are converted into video clips using tools like Flow, Runway, Grok. Many YouTube channels now use AI video creation, like me. AI video tools are evolving extremely fast. If you want to learn more about AI tools, subscribe.